The system off to save battery message is a protective feature in Ford vehicles that automatically activates when your car's computer detects dangerously low battery voltage. This message typically appears when battery voltage drops below 11.8 to 12.0 volts. Here's what normal battery voltage levels look like compared to the critical threshold. When activated, the system shuts down non-essential functions to preserve power for starting the engine. This includes your infotainment system, climate control, interior lighting, and power accessories. The most common triggers include an aging or weak battery, parasitic drain from electrical components when the engine is off, a malfunctioning alternator, or extended periods of vehicle inactivity. Remember, this message indicates a protective system working correctly, not a malfunction. It's your Ford's way of ensuring you can still start your engine even when the battery is weak. However, it does signal that your electrical system needs attention. When you see the system off to save battery message, start with these immediate troubleshooting steps. First, start your engine and drive for 20 to 30 minutes to allow the alternator to recharge the battery. Next, check your battery terminals for corrosion. Corroded terminals prevent proper electrical connection and can cause the system off message. Clean any corrosion you find using a wire brush and baking soda solution. Battery-related issues account for 70% of system off messages. If cleaning terminals doesn't solve the problem, you likely need a battery replacement. Always use an OEM specification battery for proper fit and performance. Charging system problems, particularly a faulty alternator, cause about 20% of cases. The alternator should output 13.5 to 14.5 volts when running. Use a multimeter to test alternator output and replace if necessary. Parasitic drain accounts for the remaining 10% of cases. This occurs when electrical components continue drawing power when the vehicle is off. Perform a parasitic draw test to identify faulty modules or aftermarket accessories causing the drain. Regular maintenance prevents most system off messages. Test your battery every 6 months after 3 years of use. Clean battery terminals annually. If you don't drive regularly, start your vehicle weekly to maintain battery charge.